Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. Now this video I'm actually recording directly from the Samsung phone, so you guys can check how the quality is. So anyway, today will be about this thing, and we'll be testing a case that I managed to 3D print for it. So if you go online and you actually look for cases for these things, they're actually quite expensive for some reason. It's like 15 euro, something like that. Whereas if you 3D print it, it's like, you know, just a couple of euros. So yeah, we'll be testing out if it works. Now this case, I didn't make it myself. It's actually by this boy here. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live Heavy case. And so yeah, Buds Live should fit this thing as well, because they're all kind of the same thing. Yeah, but anyway, so what you need is a 20mm M3 nut, which I have here as well. So first thing I suppose is we're gonna try and put this case in. So this is the bottom here. It should just kind of clip in. Or is it the other way? Oh yeah. So it's actually the other way. So yeah, instead of going this way, it goes this way. So it's kind of reverse. We should make it, you know, connect stronger, I think. So yeah, that fits in all right. And then, so this guy, I think we'll do it when it's closed. Let's try that. Okay. So yeah, it doesn't really like hold it too well, but it's better than nothing. So let's try and fit this thing in here. Yeah, I think if it was a little bit smaller, it would actually fit better. But it is what it is, and it isn't what it isn't. Alright, I'm just going to pause the video while this is going on. Alright, and there we go, we have it screwed in. So it doesn't really fall out or anything like that. So that's good. Then when you want to use it, just open it up, take it out. Or actually you don't take it out because it kind of stays in there, which is cool. So you just open it like this pretty much. So yeah, pretty cool shit. Put it back in. There you go. So yeah, pretty good fucking case. Christ. Very nice. And it also has the advantage of turning your buds, you know, black instead of white. So if you don't like white, if you're racist, you can, you know, change the color pretty much like this to any color that you 3D print. So which is nice. So yeah, pretty good, pretty pleased with that. So yeah, thank you boys for watching, and bye bye.